In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an account from Outlook on a Mac. Whether you're cleaning up unused accounts or making some space, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening up Outlook on your Mac. Once you have Outlook in front of you, direct your gaze to the top of the screen where you'll see the menus lined up horizontally. Among these options, find Outlook. It's typically positioned on the far left. Give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing more detailed settings and preferences for Outlook on your Mac. As you click on Outlook, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, navigate to and click on Settings. Entering the settings is where the magic begins. This is where you'll be able to manage every aspect of your account within Outlook. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to select Account. This section will show you all accounts currently linked to Outlook on your computer. It's like a central hub where you can view and manage your email accounts and even make changes to them. With the account section open, you'll need to look for the option labeled Manage. Clicking on this will take you a step further into the configuration of your Outlook account, allowing you to perform actions such as editing details or, in our case, closing an account. Finally, we reach the last part of this process. Within the Manage section, you'll find an option that says Close Account. This is your target. When you click on Close Account, you'll initiate the process to remove the selected account from your Outlook. Note that before proceeding, it's always a good idea to ensure that you have backed up any necessary information from the account, as closing it will remove access and data stored locally on your device. Remember, this process only closes the account in Outlook on your Mac. If you wish to deactivate or delete the account entirely from the service provider, you'll need to visit the provider's website and follow their specific instructions. Keep in mind that once you close the account in Outlook, the emails and data from that account will no longer sync to your device, so make sure it's something you want to do. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to close an account from Outlook on your Mac. It's quick and simple when you know where to navigate. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made managing your Outlook accounts a little bit easier for you today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks.